We're here in New York City at Sesame Street. Every year, our students can get realistic experience being able to work with industry and see firsthand what it's like to be in a creative space. That's pretty phenomenal.
Metaproject is a course developed in partnership with the Vignelli Center for Design Studies that positions students together with an industry sponsor in order to develop products which have an eye toward mass production and real-world scenarios.
I was very excited when I found out it was Sesame Street. I loved Ernie growing up, so the idea that I get to maybe work with Ernie in my project was really exciting.
This is just an extraordinary experience to be in the Sesame Street Workshop headquarters and see where they produce their work and to exhibit in it is just incredible.
There's like industry legends in that room, and I get to just talk about something that I really believe in.
There's very many social, emotional, and educational factors you get by playing. How do we engage play in an interesting, simple, and elegant way?
What can I do that kind of solves this problem, this crisis we're having in America today, where kids aren't really playing enough?
So our responsibility as designers isn't just to produce products, it's to create social change, it's to create good.
They really delivered a wide range of objects of play.
Design Week in New York is the premier event in this country for the dissemination of design ideas. So being positioned here makes us part of a dialogue.
It means a lot that my work's being displayed here because it's like your first introduction to the world.